Have you ever encountered an error in your code that left you scratching your head? It can be incredibly frustrating, especially when you're trying to make progress. If that's you, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the issue of abstract classes and unique pointers in C++. I totally understand how annoying it is to see an error message that reads, "Allocating an object of abstract class type." You're not alone in this struggle. Many developers face this issue when working with abstract classes and unique pointers. Here's the specific situation we're addressing. One user recently asked, "How do I handle the error when trying to allocate an object of an abstract class type?" They mentioned they were using std_make_unique, but were unsure how to correct the issue. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So what does this error mean? In C++, an abstract class is one that has at least one pure virtual function. This means you cannot create an instance of that class directly. Instead, you need to create an instance of a derived class that implements those virtual functions. And stick around. I have a crucial tip at the end that will help you avoid this error in the future. To resolve the error regarding allocating an object of an abstract class type, the user needs to ensure that they are not trying to create an instance of the abstract class directly. Instead, they should create instances of derived classes. Next, the user should modify the constructor of the mix class. Instead of using std_make_unique with material, they should use std_make_unique with the specific derived class type. Now, let's look at how to properly pass the objects to the mix constructor. The user should ensure that they are passing instances of derived classes when creating a mix object. Finally, the user should compile and run the code to verify that the changes have resolved the error. This will confirm that the mix class is now correctly handling the derived class instances. Fun fact, did you know that the concept of abstract classes in programming is similar to how we can't create a general vehicle without specifying a type, like a car or a bike? It's all about specificity. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. This user points out that the issue arises because the mix class attempts to create an object of the abstract material class. They suggest that instead of mix owning the material instances, it should simply operate on references to them. This way, mix can handle any derived material types without trying to instantiate the abstract class. That wraps up that answer. Let's move on to another one. An alternative solution provided by another user suggests using a templated constructor. This allows you to construct the correct types without needing a clone method. By using templates, you can create unique pointers for the specific material types passed to the mix constructor. It's important to note that this approach works only if you provide instances of materials with known types. That's it for that answer. Let's take a look at another one. An alternative solution provided by another user suggests using make_shared instead of make_unique. By creating shared pointers of the specific derived type, you can store them in a unique pointer of the abstract type without any issues. Here's the tip I promised. Always remember to check if your class is abstract before trying to instantiate it. This simple habit can save you a lot of headaches. And there you have it. You should now have a clearer understanding of how to handle abstract classes and unique pointers in C++. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more coding tips and tricks. Happy coding!